Uteti wigie giturwa kia munini wa president ndama-ini cia uteti wa githurano kinene kia mwaka ukite uronekana ta uteguthiraga watira mwena-ini wa thirikari. Amu atongoria a gicigo kia Mount Kenya mathiete na mbere na kuheana ndumiriri ya murugamo wao makimierekeria kuri aruna ao thiini wa thirikari ya urumwe. Ndumiriri iria iheanirwo na gikundi kia atongoria aria manyitaga thirikari mbaru kuuma kirima-ini yugite ati Profesa KITHURE Kindiki niwe mwagiriru muno guthii na mbere na gutungata giturwa-ini giki. Makiuga ati kwa ihinda ria mieri 15 iria Kindiki akoretwo ari thiini wa giti giki nionanitie uhoti wa guteithiriria president wira-ini wake.
We affirm our support for Deputy President KITHURE Kindiki and reiterate that he is the best man for the job now and even in the future. That opposition which we have proposed to the Kenyans, and in the last 15 months he has demonstrated quality, constructive and inclusive leadership with utmost loyalty, stood with and supported President Ruto in fulfilling the pledges made by the Kenya Kwanza administration as outlined in the bottom-up economic agenda.
Kindikia naibu wa rais, hakuna kunegotiate, hiyo tushaamua, tushakuwa na mkataba na rais na tunajua ni Profesa Abraham KITHURE Kindiki. Sasa tunaambia tukera areithe vitwari ya ODM mahorere muhecere ohweke mae makorire twakite nyumba tugathondeka sitting room tugathondeka bedroom na indo iria ingi moke mahuruke sitting room kahora nitwametekeria no bedroom matigane nayo.
Atongoria ya riu ni moritie Kindiki atigirire ati uthii wa nambere ni wakinya thiini wa gicigo giothe kia Mount Kenya na icigo ingi cia bururi hatari na muthutukanio.
We urge Professor KITHURE Kindiki to continue assisting the president in advancing the cause for equitable development of all parts of our country and access to opportunities for all Kenyans, their religious, political or ethnic affiliations notwithstanding.
Nginya twibange ta andu a kirima tutindikane na President William Ruto aingire 2027 by 2032 by God grace ainoke. Sisi lazima tuanze kupigania kiti ya rais ya 2032. Lazima tuanze kujipanga vizuri.
Murugamo uyu umanite na ritana ria atongoria a mwaho wa ODM uria utongoragio ni Oburu Oginga kuuga ati ni maguthingata giti kia munini wa president magetha uria makurutithania wira na kiama kia UDA uteti-ini wa 2027.
As other people might have opinions are welcome. That's part of negotiation. I've had those opinions. But as UDA, Professor Kindiki is our deputy president and running mate 2027.
We insist that in Professor Kindiki, the deputy president's position found not only the right man, but very qualified and befitting that office, and also equally very competent and a very humble leader.
Miario no igithie na mbere guku Nairobi kaunti-ini ya Homa Bay. Kindiki ni akinyirie mucemanio-ini uria ugwikinyitio ni atongoria angi hamwe nao ari ni Oburu Oginga na ndeto igi uteti wa noga korwo ari munini wa Ruto wiguano-ini wa UDA na ODM ne tumeirio ona thengia wa gukorwo matuko-ini maica ikuhi Kindiki akoretwo agitetera giturwa giki giake.
Our support for President Ruto is unequivocal. We support his re-election bid in the August 2027 presidential race on the United Democratic Alliance ticket with Professor KITHURE Kindiki as his running mate. Ahead of the general elections, we welcome structured and inclusive deliberations with our brothers and sisters from ODM.
Handu-ini ha Kameme TV ritwa riakwa ni Kimani wa GUTHII.